Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Victoria's Secret semi-annual slash regular haul. I got to the semi-annual sale pretty late this year. I don't know why. For some reason it just took me forever to get to Victoria's Secret, but I do think I got some good stuff, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So if you guys want to see what I got at Victoria's Secret, then just keep watching. Max just yawned. It freaked me out, but it was the cutest thing ever. You're so cute, Max. I love you. So didn't realize this was in here, but apparently they're dropping a new coconut oil wash, which looks like this. So apparently I can get a full-size cocoa wash that's valued at $14.50 for only $5. So definitely gonna have to pick that up and try it out. What? Always gotta say hi. Yes, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. So anyways, I do use their coconut oil lotion, so I'm definitely gonna have to try out their body wash as well. First thing I got was this Victoria's Secret Showtime Angel Fragrance Mist. Love the packaging. It says glittering blooms, sheer musk, get your wings on the back. Adorable. Love, love, love their packaging. It's always so pretty. I can't smell it through the like cap, so I totally forget. Can you stop moving around, mister? Can you stop it? Can you? So I totally forget what the scent smells like. I'm gonna spray it. That's pretty. It's kind of musky and it has that floral scent, which I really like. Mix of both. And it feels like it would be really strong with just one spray, which is really nice for a fragrance mist. Excited for this guy. Next item I got was the Glitter Hustle Fragrance Lotion. I have no idea what this smells like, but the packaging sold me, honestly. Really pretty. Of course, Max has to play right now. It's that time, so sorry about that. But it says it has 24 karat caramel vanilla kiss night fever. So it's like vanilla and caramel. Yes. Let's see. That smells so good and so like sultry and like just yummy. I love it. So next thing that I got was their Victoria's Secret Peony Crush. I believe this is just regular. You can get this right now. It was on sale for $6. I think they're normally like $18 if I'm remembering correctly. But I actually sprayed this on myself like a few days prior because I was down at school, so I went into the Victoria's Secret there in like the city and I could not get over the scent. So I went back when I finally decided to go shopping and get some items and stuff, and I picked it up because I absolutely fell in love with it. It has exotic flower, violet petals, and wild kiss. So cute, really cute packaging. Love that. I'm obsessed with this spray. Okay, so I gotta spray some. It smells so good. I might have to pick up a backup of that in case it goes away, because a lot of their scents end up being like limited edition, unfortunately. So I'm probably gonna pick up a second one of that. That's how much I love it. So next I just picked up some panties because they were like $5 for something. I think 28 or something like that. So the first one I got is just a really comfy kind of hip hugger. Just looks like this. Has a sparkly Victoria's Secret band. Just nice and comfy. And then I got a floral cheeky, lace cheeky, which looks like this. So pretty. I love that print there. It's adorable. It also says Victoria's Secret on there too. Next I picked up a star black lace cheeky as well. Really pretty. Kind of just neutral, good for every day, which I like. I also just picked up a black cheeky as well, black lace cheeky, because you can never have too many black panties. Last one I picked up is perfect for Valentine's Day, and since I'm single, I'll just wear it for myself. It's just this cute little heart cheeky here. Colorful, really love it. Yeah. Okay, so those were the panties. Let's go on to the next item. I have an itch on my like eye. And it's like right where my lashes are, and I don't want to like take my lashes off, so oh my gosh. So the next item I got were these cute joggers. So these were on sale for, it says $29.99 on the back, but I think they were actually cheaper than that. But they're the classic pant, and I just got a size medium. It has really cute as I drop it. Has a really cute checkered print with the pink logo down the band, all along the band here. Super cute. I love comfy casual clothes, so I definitely picked these up. Next thing I picked up was just this pink logo tee. This is just what it looks like here. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. It's kind of, I think, oversized. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. Has pink all over it. Just really cute and comfy and casual, which again, I love. And this guy was $9.99. So next, I totally forgot I picked these up, but these are so cute and they look so comfy. So I just got these cute pink with the little dog print shorts, like bedtime shorts. I got these in a size large. These are what they look like here. Really cute, just short, comfy. I'm actually going to wear these to bed tonight because they just feel so nice. So these were $15.99. And it says the fabric is polyester, elastane, and viscose. I have no idea what that is, but it feels so comfortable, so I'm really excited to wear these. Okay, so the next item I got, which I've always loved bling, like anything that sparkles, I love, so I had to get this. I got it in a size large because they didn't have a medium. It was $15.99, and this is what it looks like, which I don't know if it's going to be too big, but I can just kind of wear it casual, or I might actually return it, but this is just what it looks like here. So it has really pretty, like, bling bedazzled, and then it has pink sparkly letters on it going all the way up, if you guys can see that. Just really cute. I love anything with bling. I don't know how big it's going to be on me, so I'll have to see, but I just thought it was really adorable, so definitely picked that up. Next, we got another bling piece. This is also in a large, which I think this one might be a little too big. It says it was $25.99. I think it came down cheaper than that. I don't remember, but this is what the front looks like. Has, oh, if it will focus. So the front just has a glitter dog and a pocket here. And then if you guys can see, the back just has bling, like it has sparkles, and it also just has like gems all across the pink logo. And then it also just has a 86, I believe it is, or 80, what is it, 86, yeah, 86. I'm guessing that's, I think they were open long before 86, I don't know, maybe it's just a letter, but it's all blingy, which I absolutely love. Cotton long sleeve tee. So I don't know, it might just be more of like a comfy oversized tee with like black leggings and some chucks, but I thought it was really cute. Okay, so this is the last item that I got. So this one, it says it was $34.99. Pretty sure I got it cheaper. It's in a size medium, but it's kind of just like a sweatshirt with cutout shoulders, which I thought was really cute. And it has this kind of marbled, I don't really know the name of it. It's kind of like a marbled print, but it has the pink logo in the front, and it also says Love Pink going down the side. But really cute with the cutout. Love the little details like that. But yeah, this is just what it looks like here. Super cute and comfy. But yeah, that's everything that I got at Victoria's Secret recently. I hope you guys enjoyed this little VS haul. If you do want to see more like these in the future, definitely let me know in the comment section below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!